Hi everyone. In this video we'll discuss using Z-Wave with CastleOS. To use Z-Wave with CastleOS you need to add a USB radio which allows CastleOS to speak directly to Z-Wave devices. There are several models that you can use from different manufacturers. The one that you see in this photo here are from Aeon Labs and available generally worldwide. Depending on your region, your radio will have a different frequency. Once you have the radio, simply plug it into your computer and then go to the CastleOS settings page. Scroll to the bottom where you'll find the Z-Wave section and expand it. You'll see here the first piece of information we need to know is the COM port of the controller. Depending on the configuration of your computer, you may only have one in the list, which would be your Z-Wave radio, or you may have many. If you're unsure, simply open up the device manager by searching for it in the start menu. Expand the port section and you'll see the various COM ports listed there. Depending on the specific model, it'll either say something like USB serial device as this one does, or perhaps USB adapter or another similar phrase. Once you've identified the COM port, simply select it from the list and press save. Once you've done that, you can then press the enable button to enable Z-Wave. And now CastleOS has been configured for use with Z-Wave. The polling frequency option does not need to be set, and we recommend that it's left at never unless you have a specific device that needs to be polled. Modern Z-Wave Plus devices do not need polling, and on large networks it can create a bottleneck. So we recommend leaving it off unless it's absolutely needed. To connect individual Z-Wave devices to CastleOS, you use the buttons below the polling frequency option. Each Z-Wave device will have a physical button or other method of connecting it to the controller. You would simply press Add Device and then press the button on the device, and the rest is automatic. CastleOS will populate the device into the system, including discovering automatically all the capabilities of that device. Likewise, if you ever need to remove a device, you can use the Remove Device functionality. The START NWI stands for Network-Wide Inclusion. This is used for large networks where you might have multiple nodes out of range of the main controller. This allows nodes to be connected by using Z-Wave's hopping capabilities. Once the device has been linked, you can go to the Devices screen and there will be a new group called Z-Wave Devices. Inside that group, you'll see that each device is added with this generic name, for instance, generic controller, sensor binary, etc. Going back to Z-Wave settings, we'll discover the advanced options through the Manage Z-Wave Network button. In here, you have the option to use CastleOS as a secondary controller on an existing Z-Wave network. You can discover node information about a device. You can change the wake-up interval for when a battery-powered device checks in with the controller. You can set a configuration value from any device, remove a failed device, or replace a failed device. And that's it for using Z-Wave with CastleOS. If you have any questions, please join us at CastleOS.com on our forums. We'll be happy to answer them. Thank you.